This question is given in GATE 2008. Okay, let's see this question. A memoryless source emits n symbols, each with a probability p. The entropy of the source as the function of n. Okay, they are asking whether the function increases as log n, decreases as log 1 by n, increases as n, or increases as n log n. Now we need to know the concept of entropy here. Okay, entropy given by h of x. Entropy for a discrete memoryless source. Entropy for a discrete memoryless source given by h of x. Memoryless source given by formula h of x. This is the standard formula. H of x equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n pi log of 1 by pi. This is the standard formula for the entropy. Okay, now they are saying that there are n symbols are there with probability p. They are saying that they are having n symbols with the probability p. That is, from the given data, the probability of p1 is p, p2 is p, and so on. Pn is equals to p. So there are n symbols with each probability p. Now we need to calculate the probability of each message signal. Okay, now probability of each message signal. Probability of each message signal, that is equals to 1 by n, since there are n symbols. So p equal to 1 by n. Substitute this p equal to 1 by n in the above entropy. Okay, now we will get h of x. H of x is equals to sigma I equal to 1 to n. In place of p you substitute n into log of it's n into, in place of p you substitute 1 by n. This will be log of n, and this will be equal to, here you need to expand this sigma. It will become n into 1 by n into log n. This will become h of x. Now this n will get cancelled. Finally our new entropy h of x is equals to log of n. From this you can clearly see that it increases with log of n. So in the options it increases as log n. Okay, option A is the correct answer. How we have solved the solution is, first we need to write the formula of entropy. H of x is equals to sigma equal to 1 to n pi log of pi, which is a standard formula. Then they are saying that probability of all the probabilities are same, that is equals to p. Now we need to find message signals, each message signals probability, and we found out to be 1 by n because there are n symbols. So replace p equal to 1 by n in the above equation, which gets this answer, log of n.